Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by getting your clip trimmed and your audio as clear as possible. You need a clean timeline to build on. Once your files are imported into Capcut, drag the main footage to the timeline and split any long takes so captions land on exact lines. Make sure playback is smooth and markers are set at vocal start points. This first step saves time later because synced captions rely on accurate clip boundaries and predictable audio segments. Once you run auto captions, don't assume perfection. Review the transcript line by line. Correct misheard words and tighten timing so lines start within 1 to 2 frames of speech. This improves readability. Then style the captions. Pick a legible font, adjust size for mobile, and add a semi-opaque background if needed. Also break long sentences into shorter caption chunks so viewers can read comfortably. Make sure speaker changes are finished by checking caption pacing across the whole video, aiming for comfortable reading time per line. Adjust overlap and transitions to prevent flicker. When satisfied, choose whether to export burned-in captions or export an SRT file for platform subtitles. Use SRT for edits and burned-in for guaranteed display. If captions drift after edits, relink the media or rerun auto captions on the updated clip, then reapply corrected text. This resolves most misalignment and timing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.